Hi, welcome all to Learn and Grow with Amber. Our today's topic is fishbone analysis, a technique for identifying root causes. What is fishbone analysis? Fishbone analysis is a visual tool used to systematically identify and analyze the root causes of a specific problem or effects. It resembles like a skeleton of a fish, which is where it gets its name. So fishbone analysis is a tool for finding causes. It shows problems and the reasons. It helps in finding the root cause. Origin of fishbone. It was created by Koro Ishikawa in 1960s and was widely used in Japan first. Fishbone analysis is also called as cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram. When we are doing the root cause analysis, we need to keep in mind that root cause analysis should be part of a longer improvement cycle. And for root cause analysis, we need to encourage all team members to contribute without judgment. So, fishbone analysis is also one of the tools which focus on root cause, not just on symptoms. The purpose of fishbone analysis are identify, explore, and display the possible causes of a specific problem, process improvement, and strategic planning. When to use the fishbone analysis? Whenever we are trying to identify the root causes of a problem, whenever we are doing brainstorming sessions, as a part of Six Sigma lean and total quality management methodology, we can use fishbone analysis as a best tool. Let's talk about the structure of fishbone diagram. Head of the fishbone represents the problem or effect being analyzed. The spine is the main line leading to the head. Bones, or we can say as branches, are the major categories. Now let's understand some major categories of the branches. Man, machine, method, material, measurement, mother nature. These causes might be modified depending on industry or problem state. Each of these major branches can have sub branches representing more detailed causes. Now, once we have created fishbone diagram and plotted all the categories, our next step is ask why repeatedly. This will help you to dig deeper into the root causes. Now to understand concept of why, you can watch the video which I have uploaded earlier on 5 why. It will give you a clear picture. Now once we get answers to all whys, our next step is to review and refine the diagram. After getting all the answers to the questions we asked, we need to simplify and verify the key causes and plot in the fishbone diagram. Now let's talk about the benefits of the fishbone diagram. It helps in visualizing the complex problems, focus on root causes, ensuring team brainstorming, organizing thoughts and ideas, and save time in problem solving. Let's understand some tips for using fishbone diagram. We need to keep it simple and clear, involve whole team, start with the big cause first, revisit and refine the diagram when required. Now, while creating diagram, there are chances of making mistakes. Let's understand some mistakes that needs to be avoided. Ignoring root causes, adding too much details, focusing on one category, skipping team involvement, jumping to the conclusion. Now, as we created the diagram and plotted the branches, our next step is to analyze the root cause, create action plan for the root causes, keep monitoring the progress, document lessons and the learnings, and review it periodically. Let's understand with an example the fishbone diagram, how it's worked. I've taken an example of delay in delivery. Now, as a first branch, I take it as a method. Here, I try to understand any loopholes in the process or the methodology we are using. Example, the poor route planning or no SOPs. Then we think about the materials which may cause in delay in delivery, like supplier. He might not have supplied the material on time, or lack of packaging material. Then we thought about the machines, where we are trying to identify the tools and machines which we are using to ensure timely delivery. Just an example, old system, like we are using the old system for tracking, which are outdated, or vehicle breakdown, the trucks which are moving for the delivery have been breakdown, can be the cause for delay in delivery. Then we thought about the measurements. Measurements are nothing, these are just a controls. We try to understand the controls we impose for timely delivery. Now, here in this example, we say that we don't have no audits previously. We don't have any tracking system for the KPIs, which may cause in delay in delivery. Then we thought about the man. Here we are trying to identify people related issues like untrained staff, miscommunication between two departments, lack of ownership, which may cause delay in delivery. Then we thought about the mother nature. It is nothing, just an environmental issues or the challenges. Like I have mentioned here, as a weather roadblock, it's a heavy rainfall or nature event that may cause delay in delivery. So from this diagram, you have understand that how we have tried to identify each and every root causes which may affect timely delivery. And from here, we will be doing the brainstorming and discussing it to mitigate these by creating an effective action plan to avoid any further delay or delivery in future. Thank you all. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more such videos. Thank you all. Thank you for your time.